Hello, this is Abraham from Class A Dent Repair. Today I have this real nasty hit on this fender of a 2019 Honda CR-V. As you see, there's a nasty sharp buckle on it, and it's on a deep bodyline hit. As you see, I'm gonna show the dent in my Paintless dent repair light. This is a light, not a heat lamp. As you see, it's a nasty one, and I am going to fix this one 100% with Paintless dent repair. Hello, buddy. Hello, buddy. You gonna help me with this one? Huh? All right, here's another view of the dent after the repair. An hour and 15 minutes repair, total repair time, and as you see, all fixed 100% with Paintless dent repair. As you see, results speak for themselves. This is Abraham from Class A Dent Repair again, and if you have dents or hail damage, feel free to call me 877-445-42445. I mean 4245. Here you go. As far as the tools that I used for this repair, definitely heat. And I used this, it's a lead tip. I was cranking on the body line with this tip because it just pushes like a soft tip, and I can knock down those crowns, and it does not make any push marks at all. And then I was using this one. I think it's a silencer tip from Dead Tools, something like that, with this paddle, of course. And I was using this edgy tip to knock down the crown. And then once I got rid of the crown, and I rebuilt the shape of the dent and the body line, I used this Stanliner tool for the finishing and my custom made special knockdown. This is the best metal knockdown in the world, and I make this. It's a custom made, and if you want one, ask me, and I make this by hand.